Let's start the tutorial. Download the Binance app from Play Store or App Store. Open the app. First, you need to register for an account. Click on the Sign Up Login button in the home page. A Binance account login page will open. Click on Register Now. Select the current location of residence and click Confirm. You can create your Binance account using email or phone number. Let's create an account by email. Enter your email and password. Now, tick the agreement for terms and conditions. Finally, click on Create Account. A security verification will appear. Slide the cursor to the given position for verification. After that, you need to verify your email. Enter the verification code set in your email and click on Submit. You have successfully created an account in Binance. But you need to verify your identity first. You can either verify now or skip for later. To verify your identity, click on Verify Now. A page will open describing the details of the verification. Click on Start Now if you are ready to start the verification process. Enter your personal information such as country, your first name, last name, and middle name, and date of birth. Click on Continue. You need to enter your residential address, postal code, and city, and click on Continue. For identity verification, choose between government-issued ID card, passport, or driver's license. Select your choice and click on Continue. You need to click the image of the front and back of the document. Once done, click on Continue. Now, you need to click a selfie image of your face. Take a selfie and click on Continue. Finally, begin facial verification. Follow the instructions given on the screen. The verification process will now be completed. And your account will be verified. Now, you can buy TRX from the Binance app. To buy TRX, click on the arrow's sign at the bottom center of the app. 3 options will come: Buy, Sell, and Convert. Select Buy. Now, you have to choose crypto. Since we want to buy TRX, search for TRX in the search option. Select TRX Tron. However, you cannot directly buy TRX. You need to buy USDT first and convert it into TRX. Click on Buy USDT. Now, you need to select the currency for which you want to buy TRX. Let's select USD. Enter the USD amount to buy USDT. Now, you need to select a payment method. The payment method could be different channels, such as a bank, AirTM, or Skrill. Select the method that is suitable to you. Here, I have selected the bank option and it pays using my credit card. Click on Confirm. A Confirm Order pop-up will appear with the total fees. Click on Confirm. Wait for a while till the transaction is processed. Once the transaction is complete, you can check for the confirmation email from the Binance app in your email. Go back to the Binance app and click Transaction History for confirmation. Once done, open the arrow sign button again. This time, click on Convert. Select USDT on From tab and TRX on To tab. Enter the amount of USDT to be converted to TRX. Click on Preview Conversion and then click on Convert after you confirm the conversion. You have successfully converted USDT to TRX. In this way, you can buy TRX from Binance.